Hey everybody, I'm Christopher, the guy behind the camera. As always is Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars. See that sign? That's what it says. This is a 1971 Corvette. It is, Mille Miglia Red. It's always named after racetracks because, well, it's Corvette and they know how to party. This has got the original 350. This is an automatic. All this is pretty original car. It's got how many miles, Jake? 1,000 miles?
1,604, something
Jake's
like
always
that.
good with the numbers, 1,600. I went upstairs and looked in the file. It's got the Protecto plate. We've even got the bill of sale. He traded a 64 Chevy in for this 1971 Corvette on August 6, 1971. It is beautiful red interior, power windows. Let's see what else. Oh my God, AM, FM radio, which is awesome. It's got factory AC, beautiful car. We got these beautiful wheels from Coker. They are like the originals. We just found out they're brand new.
Well, the wheels are original to the car, but the tires are new.
The tires are new,
And they are
wheels
made to look
original.
like the tires that would have been on
I'm
the car,
gonna pop
yes.
this hood. Oh, and it's also got, as Jake showed you, the sticker right here. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, on the window. It's also got T-tops. It's got the little bag for the T-tops in the back. When I got the car in the booth, the T-tops were off and mounted it in the bag and strapped in the back, so I put them on.
Oh, I love that. They're so good.
They fit perfect.
How about this? Oh, Jake, look, stickerage.
Yeah, a lot of stickerage. This car still has all the stickerage that it had back in 1971.
I love this car.
Beautiful
I mean,
engine.
If Prince were alive, he'd be singing about this car right now. I think he'd call it Little Red Corvette, but I don't know.
Yes, he would.
He would. He would say that. Nice. Right here is where the windshield wipers come up. Vacuum operated. I love it. I won't turn it on, but you want me to turn the car on? Give it a rev?
Yeah, sure.
We're not going to take it for a drive today, folks. We can't. It's got too few miles on it.
Yeah,
so.
too few miles, but we will start it up and we'll put it up to our main showroom. How about?
Oh, we will.
So we'll show it running and driving.
Neat. I love driving to the main showroom.
You want to hand me your mic?
Sure, here you go.
I'll take his microphone. And also, when you're in there, don't do the driver window, but you can show the passenger window going up and down.
I'm not touching it.
It's fast.
Oh, it's got tilt wheel.
Yes, it has tilt wheel.
And it's telescopic.
Oh, it is telescopic.
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Well, people know stuff. And it's got a great horn that works.
That's a fancy option for 1971.
It really does have a lot. Here we go.
Want to do the window? That is lightning fast. God, it's a gorgeous car. 1,600 miles. Man, it sounds good too. Obviously with the low mileage, we're not going to take it for a drive like he said. And also if you look around, it's kind of snowy and crappy, so you wouldn't want to take this out today anyway. We want to keep this one nice. Oh, look at that. The headlights. Oh, that's good. They work really well, actually. Take this.
What
How
else?
did it drive, Chris?
Well, for as slow as I went, it drove like a champion. It sounds so good. It just looks great. The dash, everything is so nice in this car.
And everything worked. The taillights came on, the headlights popped up.
Excellent.
It actually went fast too.
I was trying not to go too fast, Jake, but I really wanted to.
Yeah. Oh, it sounds good.
It does. This car is a time capsule. It really, really is.
All right.
I hope you guys come and take a look at
You
it.
ready to put it away? Give it to its new owner?
Let's give it to its new owner.
Or
as soon as we
hopefully
can.
someone buys this.
Sooner than later.
It's a gem.
It's a peach.
It is a peach. All right, we'll see you next time.
Take it easy, guys.